My shout is loud, but just for me. Inside my head as it cannot flee. My mouth won't work, I try and try, but all I can manage is to writhe and cry. Thinking is low when reality think, but my pain is all-encompassing flame. My muscles scream and clench for life. My nerves spike like a strobe light. I hear a sound, a family near. If only I could say I am here. My children see me on the floor. Strangers freak out around the ward. It feels like every muscle inflex, screaming for me to just relent. Pain is everywhere, I cannot get away. Pain all-encompassing to my dismay, crushing my heart and tearing my soul. Sometimes wishing I would just go, but I see my love, my family true, and I will remember my Lord is also true. Pain is smashing me, it is so unfair. I even have pain when no joint is there. This hurts my heart to know it is here. This pain won't stop, won't disappear. I miss the gathering, miss the day. Sometimes I'm lost in my dismay. I hope and pray my Lord will choose today to take away this suffering stew. But not today, my Lord is good. If it fits his need, then it's how it stood. Jesus knows this pain, he took it too. He did it for me and even for you. How would you choose this, knowing the pain that was due? How would you willingly ride it through? Pain is everywhere, I cannot get away. Pain all-encompassing through my dismay, crushing my heart and tearing my soul. Sometimes wishing I would just go, but I see my love, my family true, and I remember my Lord is also true. Pain is smashing me, it is so unfair. I even have pain when no joint is there. I sometimes wonder how this will square. Why do my kids have to see me blue? Why did they visit in the ICU? It hurts my heart to know they saw, but more it hurts that they know the score. They've seen me convulsing, see me collapse. They said if you're sore, you can just go back. They knew from a toddler daddy's a lack. I couldn't play, couldn't run, couldn't join into much of their fun. I want to climb with them to take the lead. I want to show them the joy of speed, but such is the way, I can't get back to reset my body and stop the attack. Pain is everywhere, I cannot get away. Pain all-encompassing till my dismay, crushing my heart and tearing my soul. Sometimes wishing I would just go, but I see my love, my family true, and I will remember my Lord is also true. Pain is smashing me, it is so unfair. I even have pain when no joint is there.